y'all, I'm Patty, and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. It's been a minute. Sorry I'm taking a little bit of time off, a little bit of mental health break. But I'm back. It's probably not going to be every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for a little while. But whenever I do a video, I will shoot and put it up the next day. Today, it's probably going to be to the first of the year. Tonight, we're going to be making French dips sandwiches. So what I've got here is, let me get my burner out. I've got some roast beef that I got at the deli, Walmart yesterday. First, I usually use au jus, but all au jus is broth. So I've got some beef broth. I'm gonna put this in here. I've also got some Montreal Steak Seasoning that I am going to season this with, the broth. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of the roast beef in here and I'm going to let it simmer for a little while and get a good flavor on all the beef before I put it on the sandwiches. I'm going to separate it. Hope everybody's doing good, getting ready for Thanksgiving. We're actually going out of town. We've got a room. We're just going to Charleston. We're going to be staying Wednesday through Saturday in Charleston. And just doing some staycation, more or less. And we're going to eat out. I'm not doing any cooking. So, alright. Now, all I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover this, and I'm going to let this simmer for about maybe 10 minutes and let all the flavors get in there. And then we'll bring you back and build the sandwich. But I'm going to do something different after I build the sandwiches. So, we'll be back shortly. Okay, I'll let this simmer for about 10 minutes. Now I just got some white bread hoagie buns, sub buns. They're Walmart brand. And I've got some baby Swiss. Well, now I got hot. Weather's all messed up here. Run the heater in the morning and the air conditioner throughout the day. I've got over here my griddle heating up. Oh, I should have got my new griddle I got. This is hot. I'm just making one sandwich each. If you want more, we can make more. Okay. Now what I am going to do different is I'm going to treat this kind of like a Cuban. I'm going to put some butter on top of it. Put it down. And I got me a new bacon press. I'm going to set this down on here and I'm going to let this brown for a few minutes. So I'll bring you back after I flip it over, because I've got to butter this side and then flip them over and press them down, and then whenever I get ready to take them off, I'll bring you back.
Take go.
Alright.
You're back.
Yummy. Ooh, warm. This is just a quick Friday night supper. It's 7:30 here. Tony got home not long ago. And here's our au jus. And I got some hash brown patties. Alright guys, everything's ready. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And when you do, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I want to thank you for joining me, and give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share this out on your social media. Y'all have a good one. Supper's ready. Bye.